If your LG 3-door refrigerator has stopped making ice, don't call a repairman just yet because most fixes take less than 5 minutes. Statistically, over 60% of LG ice maker issues are caused by simple blockages or settings rather than mechanical failure. Before we tear anything apart, let's run through the basic diagnostic checklist to find the culprit. Always verify the power switch is on and your freezer is cold enough, as temperatures above 4 degrees will stop ice production. Check the fill tube for ice blockages. A quick blast from a hair dryer can often melt the obstruction and restore water flow. If the basics look good, the water inlet valve or the assembly motor itself might be the next things to test. Try a soft reset using the test button first, but if that fails, a full power cycle can clear stubborn control board errors. While a pro repair can cost hundreds, most owners can fix the water valve or filter for a fraction of that price. Running the built-in test mode is the best way to see if the motor and water valve are communicating correctly. You likely already have the tools needed, especially a hair dryer and a screwdriver, to tackle these common LG issues. Remember that keeping your water filter fresh is the single best way to prevent sediment from killing your ice maker. If these steps helped you get the ice flowing again, hit that subscribe button for more home appliance troubleshooting playbooks.